Stop scrolling. Here are mind-blowing animal facts that will make you say, wow. The wood frog can survive winter by freezing solid. In spring it thaws and hops away. Some animals, like fireflies, glow in the dark to attract mates. And axolotls, they can regrow limbs and even parts of their hearts. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to stay together. And crows, they're so smart, they remember human faces. From the fastest falcon to the tiny bumblebee bat, the animal kingdom is full of wonders. Keep exploring and you'll always find something amazing.